oceans, a world far removed from ours, where the sun's rays can't penetrate, yet surprisingly, it's not all darkness and gloom. It's a world illuminated by its own inhabitants, through a phenomenon known as bioluminescence. Bioluminescence is a captivating natural spectacle where living organisms produce and emit light, creating a captivating cosmic-like display beneath the ocean's surface. It's an interplay of chemistry and biology where certain substances within the organism interact in the presence of oxygen to produce light. It's like having a little star factory within, don't you think? Now, while bioluminescence might seem like a rare and extraordinary phenomenon to us, it's actually quite common in the marine world. Many ocean dwellers, from the microscopic plankton to larger creatures like jellyfish, squid, and deep-sea fish, possess this ability. But why is that? Well, the answer lies in the unique environment these creatures inhabit. The deep sea is a place of perpetual darkness. Sunlight, which is abundant on the surface, quickly fades as you go deeper, leaving the ocean depths in complete and total darkness. In such an environment, the ability to produce your own light becomes not just an advantage but a necessity. Marine organisms use bioluminescence for a variety of purposes. Some use it to lure prey while others use it to deter predators. Some use it to communicate and find mates while others use it simply to navigate the dark depths. Each glowing creature a beacon of light in the inky black abyss. So as we delve deeper into our exploration, let's immerse ourselves in the glimmering, glowing, and often alien-like world of bioluminescence. A world that's as fascinating as it is beautiful. A world that's right here on our planet yet so different from what we know. Bioluminescence, as you will see, is not just a beautiful spectacle but also a fascinating science. But what exactly causes these living organisms to glow in the dark? Well, it all comes down to a fascinating process known as bioluminescence. This isn't magic or some kind of optical illusion but rather a natural chemical reaction happening within the organism itself. To put it simply, bioluminescence is a result of a reaction between a light-producing molecule and an enzyme. The molecule, known as luciferin, reacts with oxygen to produce light. But this reaction only happens when it's catalyzed by a special enzyme called luciferase. So, it's a bit like a biological light bulb that turns on when these two components interact. Now you might be wondering why different species emit different colors of light. The answer lies in the specific chemicals involved in the reaction. Different types of luciferin and luciferase cause different colors of light. For instance, the greenish glow of a firefly is due to a specific type of luciferin found in these insects. On the other hand, the haunting blue or green light emitted by many deep-sea creatures is due to a different variation of luciferin. It's fascinating to think about how each glowing creature carries its own unique chemical signature. This isn't just about creating a pretty light show. For many organisms, their glow is a vital part of survival, used for everything from attracting mates to deterring predators. The science behind bioluminescence is a testament to the incredible complexity and diversity of life on our planet. Even in the darkest depths of the ocean, life has found a way not just to survive, but to literally shine. So, the next time you see a firefly or a glowing jellyfish, remember it's all chemistry. This beautiful, mesmerizing glow isn't just a spectacle to behold, it's a complex chemical ballet that's been perfected over millions of years of evolution. So sit back, appreciate the glow, and marvel at the wonder that is nature. But why do these organisms glow in the first place? Let's dive into the role of bioluminescence in nature, and you'll see that there are several reasons for this fascinating phenomenon. First and foremost, bioluminescence is a survival tool. In the deep dark ocean where sunlight can't reach, organisms use their glow to communicate, attract, or repel. It's a case of using what you've got to make the most of your environment. Let's consider the anglerfish, a creature that looks like it's been plucked straight from a nightmare. The anglerfish uses a glowing lure dangling from its head to attract unsuspecting prey. As the prey approaches, mesmerized by the light, it becomes an easy meal for the anglerfish. A classic example of how bioluminescence aids in hunting. But it's not just about luring in dinner. Bioluminescence also plays a key role in the dating game underwater. Many marine creatures, such as certain species of squid and shrimp, use their glow to attract mates. A light show in the deep sea can be a sign of a potential partner ready to mate. And what about defense mechanisms? Bioluminescence can act as a powerful deterrent to predators. For instance, when threatened, the cookie-cutter shark emits a greenish glow from its belly, which can startle and scare off potential predators. It's a clear message: back off, or face the consequences. In the pitch-black depths of the ocean where visibility is virtually zero, bioluminescence serves as a crucial communication tool. It's a language of light, if you will, that helps these organisms navigate the deep, find food, avoid danger, and reproduce. But perhaps one of the most intriguing aspects of bioluminescence is that it's not limited to one group of organisms. It spans across various species, from bacteria to fish, indicating that this trait has evolved multiple times throughout the history of life on Earth. So the next time you marvel at the glow of a firefly, remember that there's a whole world of bioluminescent creatures beneath the sea, lighting up the dark, communicating, hunting, and surviving in their unique ways. Bioluminescence, it seems, has more to it than just lighting up the dark. The ocean isn't the only place where bioluminescence occurs, though. It's a phenomenon that extends its magic beyond the marine world, reaching into the realms of the terrestrial. Among the most familiar of these land-dwelling light shows are the enchanting fireflies. Fireflies, or lightning bugs, are not actually flies or bugs at all. They're beetles, and their glow is a result of a fascinating chemical reaction. Inside special light organs located in their abdomen, a compound called luciferin combines with oxygen, catalyzed by an enzyme known as luciferase. This reaction emits light and is incredibly energy efficient, producing virtually no heat. The purpose? Fireflies use their glow to communicate, specifically for mating. Each species has its distinct flash pattern, helping potential partners find each other in the dark. It's a romantic language of light, written in the secret code of bioluminescence. But fireflies aren't the only land creatures that glow. In the forest's damp and dark corners you might stumble upon a surreal sight, glowing fungi. Known as foxfire or fairy fire, certain species of fungi emit a soft greenish light. Like fireflies, the light is produced through a chemical reaction involving the same luciferin-luciferase system. But unlike fireflies, the exact purpose of this glow is still a mystery. Some scientists suggest it might attract insects that help spread the fungi's spores, while others speculate it could be a byproduct of metabolic processes. Whether it's the blink of a firefly or the eerie glow of forest fungi, bioluminescence on land is a spectacle as fascinating as its marine counterpart. It's a testament to the ingenuity of nature, using light to communicate, to attract, to survive in the most extraordinary ways. Bioluminescence paints our world with its captivating glow, from the mysterious depths of the ocean to the enchanting twilight of our backyards and forests. It's a breathtaking phenomenon that reminds us of the complex and beautiful mechanisms of life at work. Indeed, the glow of life is everywhere if you know where to look. So, to recap our journey into the world of bioluminescence, we've delved into the deep dark corners of our planet, where the sun's rays cannot reach and light is a rare commodity. Here we've discovered a dazzling spectacle of nature's ingenuity, bioluminescence. We've seen how organisms from the tiniest of plankton to the colossal squid generate light from within themselves, lighting up the abyss with their ethereal glow. Bioluminescence, we've learned, is a chemical reaction that produces light within an organism's body. This fascinating process involves a light-emitting molecule called luciferin, an enzyme named luciferase, and sometimes the presence of oxygen. The result? A spectacular, glowing display that has captivated our imaginations and spurred scientific curiosity. We've also explored the various reasons why organisms use bioluminescence. It's not just for show. This glow serves a multitude of purposes. From luring prey and attracting mates to warding off predators and communicating with others of their kind, bioluminescence is a vital survival tool for many creatures. And while the ocean may be the most well-known arena for bioluminescence, we've discovered that this phenomenon isn't confined to the watery depths. It also illuminates the land and the sky. Fireflies twinkle in the night, glowworms light up caves, and certain fungi emit a soft, otherworldly glow in the heart of the forest. Bioluminescence is everywhere if we know where to look. In our exploration, we've also touched on how bioluminescence has influenced human society. From inspiring folklore and legends to driving scientific and technological advancements, the glow has left its mark in many ways. In the end, bioluminescence is a testament to the beauty and complexity of life on Earth. It's a reminder that even in the darkest corners of our world, life finds a way to shine. So the next time you find yourself under a starlit sky or gazing into the ocean's depths, remember the glow. It's a glowing testament to the endless wonders of our natural world.